Hey guys, so today we'll be making a very simple decorative bow. What you will need, I have the large Burlap since we're using thick burlap. This is 4-inch wide burlap. It's so cute. Look, it has the adorable little reindeer on it. So I have 32-inch long pieces and I have 4 of them. 2 for my loops and 2 for my tails. If you want more loops or more tails, then just cut more pieces. Oh, I also have bow wire and scissors. That's all you need. So this is going to be quick and easy. Let's get started. First thing, I have my bow wire folded in half and I'm going to place it down on the Burlap. Then I'm going to take my first piece. Again, this is 32 inches in length. So I fold it in half to find the center. And since this is going to be a tail, I want to have the right side facing up. So I have my crease from the center. I'm going to fold it in half, bring the front and the back upwards, just like that. And then place it down. I'm going to do the same thing again so that I'll have 4 tails. You can just have 2 tails if you'd like and then more loops. So I'm going to scrunch it the exact same way, place it down. And use your wand to help keep everything scrunched together because this burlap is pretty thick. My tails are all done. Now I'm going to make my loops. I'm going to have the wrong side facing up. I'm going to scrunch the end and place it down. Make a nice loop and scrunch the other end. Place it down as well. Use your wand. And then I'm just going to estimate the center, but you can fold it like we folded the other pieces to find the exact center. Scrunch. And then you can adjust it while you have that in place. So let me show you. So we'll fold this to find the center. Make a loop. Place it down. Scrunch. Place it down. And you just find your center crease that you made before we started placing it, and then do the same thing again. It gets pretty thick. That's what it's looking like so far. So this is what I mean when I said you can just have 2 tails and then take this other piece and make a 3rd loop if you'd like. Personal preference. So it's completely up to you. Do it exactly the way that you'd like. Alright. So now we are going to take our bow wire, take the 2 open ends and place it inside the loop, then hold everything in place and give it a nice tug. I'm going to tie it in a knot a couple of times. And I usually make the bow wire longer than this so that I can tie it to a wreath or a stairwell or whatever you'd like. Just like that. Since I did not have the bow wire that was long enough, let me show you what you can do. So I've tied that in several knots and then I cut away the excess. Just going to take a piece of bow wire. Take another piece of bow wire and just thread it through and tie that in a knot. So you can make this as long as you need so that you're able to tie it to your wreath, to your stairs, to your door, whatever you prefer. You can leave the tails squared like this or you can ribbon cut them. I think I'm going to ribbon cut them. So you'll just fold it in half, open ends at the bottom, fold at the top, and cut at a diagonal. Just like that. And that's how it looks. So cute and adorable. Modify it, adjust it to fit your needs. Final touch, I'm going to add in a center. And you don't have to, but I just like to do so. So I have another piece of the burlap. I'm just going to tie it in a knot. And I'm going to try and keep the printed side visible. Just like that. So I'm just going to place it in the center. And then don't forget your bow wire. I'm going to put it on either side, just like that. And then I'm just going to tie this in the knot. You could hot glue this in the back as well, whichever you prefer. Then we could just cut away the excess. But it won't really be visible, so it's not a big deal. And you see we still have the bow wire out where we can still tie it to whatever we'd like. And this is what it's looking like. So cute and adorable. And I love this. I love this printed burlap. It's so different. This bow ended up being about 11 or 12 inches in width. So cute and easy to do. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But they look so cute and adorable. Again, easy to make.